Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create some cartoon videos with AI in 2024. So today we're diving into how to create a cartoon video using AI. With advancements, of course, in AI technology, creating animated cartoons has become more accessible and efficient, allowing you to bring your creative ideas to life with ease. So let's walk through the steps to create some stunning cartoon videos using AI tools. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first you'll need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. And you can start by selecting an AI animator tool that suits your needs. Popular like tools includes Toon Boom, Harmony, Vyond, and Animaker. Each of these tools offers like a range of features for creating some professional quality cartoons video. So do your own research about those three. You can watch videos about it and see what's best suits your needs. Of course, you can make your decisions based on your specific requirements, such as ease of use, customization option, and even available templates as example. So for me, I'll show you three of them and go here and basically I'll type like Toon, Boom, Harmony, and open new tab, just type Beyond as an example, and the last one should be Animaker. So yeah, as example, go to the first link of each one of them, and yeah, it should be this one. So here, as example, I've already, I guess, used this Animaker. It's good to use like some cartoons animation. So of course you can just go and log in into your account if you have an account, or create a new account for free. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging into your account. As I said, for me, like I already created my account before, so they logged me into my account without any problems. As I said, even if I click on create an account, but for those, it's first time like using it. So normally I will use this, but as you can see, there are like other options that you can use this, like this Vyond as example. You can start your free trial right now. Click on free trial and continue as example with Google, and Harmony should be the same. So choose the country, save the settings, and of course you can simply just try it for free right now as example. So choose whatever suits you, what you want, essential, advanced, premium, whatever you want. So of course you can click on try it for free and start trying it like now. As you can see, you can here log in to download your free trial. So it's basically, I guess, no credit card required. And it seems like, so of course, no sign in. I need to register here as example. So let me just show you. So as you can see, fill up all those informations here, click on create an account, and you'll be able to start using some downloads. As I said, for me, I'm not going to use this. I'll try to show you both of those. So example, click on next. I'll just name it sis, etc. Agree to that, whatever. I go to the next step. And yeah, personal as example. So students or just casual. Okay, just me as example. And it should be good to go. So yeah, here we are. So as you can see, no videos yet. You can go and create a new one. We can create with AI or use templates or start with blank. So as example, I'll just use this AI tool, even if it's in beta. As an example, here I want to create a like example person that's I don't know, like maybe explaining. So explaining, sorry, so explaining something on a whiteboard. As simple as that. And of course, you can choose layouts. Like I'll just choose maybe, what should I choose? Which one? Maybe this one. Yeah, looks good. Optional settings, like I'll just use informative. And here as example, yeah, I'll do this as it is and click on create video. The same will be here, but not specifically the same. Of course, you can start creating a project. So create a video, as we said, cartoon video. So once this is like loading, I'll just go and try to create a video. Of course, you can regenerate an animated video within seconds with an AI, but for this one, it will need an upgrade, as you can see. So they have the starter plan, pro plan, depending on whatever you want. But you can start from templates, as you can see. So some animated videos by template. So as an example, you can use this one. It's totally animated. You don't have, of course, you can start from scratch if you want to like do something from the beginning by your own. Let's check this one. So it seems like it's created. I'll just go and play the video. For example, the interview and the internet and overview. So it seems like a whole video. As you can see, you can customize your video from here to edit it. Try quick edits to make instant changes to your script, or go to the ViewOn Studio to customize your character's background and more. So yeah, taking some time to play. So just go back here. As you can see, so first of all, a video that is already made by the as you can see, the template. It has some scenes. It has a lot of things, as you can see, to do. So you can edit specific stuff. As example, so instead of him typing, example, you can do him explaining or something like that. So you can change a lot of things, as you can see. So it has a lot of scenes. Of course, you can add your own scene, like example, in the end, like the person is explaining something. As example, you can add your background with I don't know, yeah, whiteboard. Okay, so yeah, this guy's example is explaining something here. You can add some text to the whiteboard or something like that. So I'll just do this, or simply just add an image as example. So he's trying to explain something. Of course, you can upload something from your own PC. So what about, like, okay, yeah, I'll try to generate a map. Yeah, and okay, let's just square. So of course it will take some time at the moment. Let's just go back to this. Of course, I'll just go here and click on edit video with the studio, so it will show correctly. As example, as you can see in here, as we said before, you can start from scratch instead of like starting from a template, as you can see. And here you can choose like a lot of characters, do a lot of animations and etc. So yeah, as example, okay, this map is good. I'll just go and enter that here, make it like smaller, try to adjust it. So yeah, I'll try to make it something like this. Why not? Should be something like this. And yeah, so, and I'll need to put, of course, okay, this one starts playing. So here, of course, as you can see, this guy is sitting on the background. I don't want him to be in the background, so I want this sits in the back. Okay, not like that. I just wanted to yeah, backward. Yeah, so yeah, like that. That is actually perfect. So here, as you can see, I'm creating an animated video, cartoon video, as you can see, with a lot of scenes that is from templates, and another scene that is simply added here. So as example, you can choose this template. As example, you can delete them if you didn't like maybe this one, as example, and a lot of other stuff. You can add your own series, etc., and you'll have your video. You can simply click on publish at the top right option, click on download video. We'll be able to choose option. As you can see, HD quality is free to use, but other qualities you'll need a better plan. So yeah, click on download, choose the form. Other, as you can see, the only form supported is MP4 for free. Click on download, and the download should start without any problems. So as you can see, here you'll be able to download this once it's exported, and it should be good to go. For me, I'm not going to download, so I'll just click on X. As you can see, this video is already like here is being created as an example. So the same template that we choose. As an example, he's explaining whatever we said, and here as an example, we can make our old changes as we did in here. So it's kind of the same, and you can simply create your video right away. You can download even if you're on the top right corner in here, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.